Today, I am here at Future Park Rangsit. Future Park Rangsit, formerly Future Park Plaza Rangsit, is one of Asia's largest malls on Farhongyeothan Road in Parkdom Tarni. It is a gateway to central, northern, and northeastern Thailand provinces. Future Park Rangsit opened in 1995 with a total area of 280,000 square feet, 26,000 square meters. Future Park is located outside Bangkok, so it is not for the average tourist. However, if you have some time to spare, why not join me for a virtual tour of this shopping mall? The mall has more than 70 restaurants, 8 banks, a post office, and outlets from all phone networks and mobile phone service providers. There are multiplex cinemas and private theaters that offer karaoke and on-demand movies. Their anchor tenant consists of Central Department Store, Robinson Department Store, Big C Supercenter, Top Supermarket, Powerbuy, Electronic Specialty Store, and Fitness First, Health Club. The huge complex currently has 120,000 shoppers on weekdays and 150,000 on weekends. It's one of Asia's biggest shopping malls and a shopaholic's dream come true. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate your support. Do give me a like and subscribe to my channel.